I am so excited to be here with my friend, Jeff Judson. I wish I had had my camera rolling a few minutes ago because as he came in to say hello, he did jumping jacks. Now, this was a man who the last time I saw him, it's been, what, a couple of months?
Mm-hmm.
You would not have been doing any jumping jacks. No. Tell us your story.
Well, I had this pretty sudden onset of arthritis. I went to the doctor, it was x-rayed. She said, yep, you've got arthritis in both knees. It was painful for me to just walk on a flat surface.
Wow.
I went down to the beach with my wife in May, and it was a nice romantic trip, and she wanted to take walks on the beach, and I just kind of dreaded it because it was too painful.
Yeah. Wow.
And for me, it was the most painful thing was walking on a flat surface.
That's interesting.
So,
yeah.
I just thought, if you lose your desire to walk,
yeah, that's
your
pretty
life,
serious.
Your life starts going downhill pretty fast.
Yep, I've been there. I relate to what you're saying.
And just going for a walk in the neighborhood or whatever, walking the dog, So my doctor said, well, we're going to send you to physical therapy, but I know where that heads.
Yeah.
It's then a knee replacement and all that stuff.
Yeah.
And so luckily, I remembered you mentioning this to me from a while back.
Yes, it'd been a while.
Came to this thing, and then I saw the testimonial from Steve Brenson.
Oh, yeah.
And I know Steve, and I know, and his knee problems were very similar to what I was experiencing. And so in June, middle of June, I went and got my injections. And this has been just almost exactly 2 months. So I'm not even...
You're not even to the 3-month mark.
The 3-month mark is when you're really... And so I have no more pain. I'm working out again. I can walk anywhere. I'm wearing my cowboy boots right now.
Woohoo!
I can still kind of feel my knees.
That's good.
But it's kind of like, when you're coming over and healing from an injury or something, I can still feel them, but there's no pain.
That's lovely.
And I did a thing the other day where I had to stand for 4 or 5 hours. And that would have just killed
man.
me.
Mm-hmm.
No problem. I had no problem doing it. So
it's awesome.
I'm so thankful.
Yeah, and wasn't it lovely not having to have surgery?
Yes.
Not having to do the rehab.
It's 2 months, and it's...
Yeah.
It was such a painless thing. So...
Yeah, no brain fog, none of that other stuff that goes with all the other typical traditional medicine.
Right.
So I'm so excited, and tell him what you'll be doing cartwheels the next time I see you.
Yeah, probably so.
Good. I can't do one, so don't expect that on my end. My Infiniti Matrix did not improve my cartwheel skills at all.
Oh, well, I want my money back.
Oh, no! Oh, Jeff, I'm so excited for you. Thank you for sharing your testimony, and I know it'll encourage so many others as well.
Yeah.
So God bless. I look forward to hearing more as the months roll by.
You will. Thank you.